Let's make some mozzarella sticks in the air fryer. So this is mozzarella string cheese that I'm using. I have some flour, a couple beaten eggs, and I have some breadcrumbs and panko. These happen to be Italian style. You can use any kind you want. Season them up however you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour some in here. And I'm going to put some panko in here also. Give that a quick mix. I'm going to take one of our mozzarella sticks and go into the flour. I'm going to coat this well. Get the ends also. Then into our egg. Again, coat it well. And get the ends. Looks good. And then into our breadcrumbs. Now I am going to double bread these. I want that cheese to stay inside as much as possible. So I'm going to go back into the egg. And into our breadcrumbs. Okay, I just finished breading these up. I'm going to go ahead now and just pop them in the air fryer basket. Now I am going to spray these lightly with some oil. Now this is optional. I am going to spray this with a little bit of cooking spray. All right, let's move on over to the air fryer. Okay, I have this set at 400 degrees and we're going to go for 5 minutes. All right, our 5 minutes is up. Let's see how these did. We got a little bit. Can you see? This is what we have going on. Not too bad. Okay, before I take my thumbnail picture, I want to go ahead and break one of these open because I actually want a picture with this like that. Oh yeah. All right. Very good. Very good. Very pleased how these turned out. Just make sure you bread them as best as you can to avoid a lot of melted cheese oozing out everywhere. I'm pleased again how these turned out. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.